All right, today I'm proud to showcase the SpinSci Operator Console with a native integration inside of WebEx Contact Center and Cisco on-prem contact centers. So one of the first things you'll see is I'm actually signed in as an agent, and I've got my Operator Console gadget or widget selected here in a few main tabs. Things like Patients, Inpatient Search, Staff Directory or Corporate Directory, along with Code Management, and we can optionally enable different paging integrations, etc. But one of the first things you'll see is as I search for a particular patient, you'll notice the user interface is very flexible in what needs to be seen. These things can be taken away, removed, or added, different variables here. But all of this would come real time from the electronic health record with birth date, room and bed, and of course the bed extension or the phone that's hooked up in the room. And I always have an information icon to view a little bit more detail here. Things like an address, maybe a consulting or referring provider, and any notes or remarks for a particular patient. Now I can move on over to my staff directory, kind of being my main source of truth in this way. I can look at basically all the entries that I have, or I can look at different things here. Like let's say I look for test, I've got department names, titles, different extensions, phones, and any notes as well. So if there's an extension that we want to transfer to for 9 to 5, and then anytime after hours it goes to the alternate extension, that can all be plugged in here, along with more information here, like a paging vendor, their answering service, and any notes that may be associated with that particular department or entry. And I can also search by name or department name or an extension, etc. And you can see I've got a lot of different information in here. And then codes as well, very customizable, very configurable for a hospital that may have centralized operators that answer on behalf of different clinic or different hospitals, or if they're separated by each individual hospital has a group of operators. This can be done in an automated fashion where I can say medical alert code, I can showcase extension calling, the called number, etc. A lot of this would autofill when engaged on a live call. And from here, we're able to actually dispatch codes. And then we have a full report showing all the different codes that have been dispatched, who they were dispatched by, any of the comments associated with them, and a full audit log of them in real time. Overall, the efficiencies we're really trying to gain here is reducing that on-prem footprint. We've got legacy vendors where the user interface is not very clean and it's rather old in a legacy system, and keeping things from being upgraded. And this is really where a cloud native solution that scales with the organization as they look at cloud vendors or just trying to reduce some of their on-prem footprint. Along with that, making the workflows and the processes easier for the day-to-day operators that are managing the system. And then for any supervisors or admins as well, as having a very clear tool on being able to edit some of the entries that I have in here. As things change, as the information changes that we need to add in here, it's a very simple one click for any supervisors or managers to be able to edit and change some of the information. Please contact us at SpinSci Technologies for more information. Thank you very much.